Yes, massive once a blessed love and welcome to the channel. Move say everybody is out there doing well, is it? And as usual, we want to say give thanks to all things, cause gratitude is a must. So once a big up to all our people who over the 2 years take the time out of them busy schedule for just pass through and click over and you understand? Watch the video them and subscribe to the channel. Comment and like and share and all of them things that will make the community, will make this what we are do feel worthwhile. You see it? We just want to say give thanks. Blessed love. Seeing respect and maximum appreciation for all of the support and all of the insight and everything what they are them impart upon I, and hopefully whatever we impart upon the them make some sense in way to you see it. Make sure say we are put love and love before all things. See? And it lead me to talk about the brethren here, you know. See? Because we see Colaz TV reach to a high level of success and it not come through negative vibration. You see it? So we see a youth who rise from upper country and he get worldwide recognition, worldwide love because of doing a noble thing, because of doing what is right. So when we see all them youth there rise from country by doing things right, say we can use them youth as example for say great things can reach you without being, you understand, without you being corrupted or you have to chase down hype and certain kind of negativity, you see it? Because we see what the negativity are bring towards the youth them, you understand? How them destroy themselves with negativity, you see it? So when we see a youth like this, a youth, a Colaz use positivity and bring that kind of greatness there to himself and bring so much love and, you understand, unity and them kind of things there. Bring people joy and them kind of things there. You see it? We have to respect that kind of energy there. You see it? So yes, when time we see them kind of energy there, we have to just know say that are the kind of frequency what we have to tap into and just make love and peace and unity be the forefront of everything what we are trying to do going forward. See? I'm going to say big up to Daddy Gargon. You see it? Because Daddy Gargon, me see the love and the energy where you feel when time you're gonna meet the general. You see it? I can see it say it was a dream where become true. So you live that dream there. You see it? And as something what me personally when I hope say, yeah, me then love to see Daddy Gargon and Colaz link up and all a little vibes and all a little reasoning and them kind of things, because we see the passion and the adoration where you have for the youth, and you have all right and within all respect for give the youth the flowers where you give him, because you see it's a greatness in a young man where when you look around you, the amount of young people where they do negativity and like I said, the youth couldn't take that choice there, but him choose the road where him take for become the man who him is. And for see a elder look to the youth there with such a respect, and you get the chance to meet the youth and all a little reasoning with him, and I can see the joy and the happiness where emanate from your whole aura. You see it, how you smile, how you talk about the youth and them kind of things. Me really see it, say, you all a joy, and that is important. And yeah man, me salute that. You understand? Yeah man, me bigging up for them kind of things, man. And this are the thing where me always talk about from the taller time. You see, because me see the direction where certain things can lead to in a Daddy Gargon. You see, because more time me hear you when you say something about me, like you say, me judge people based on what me not see. But what you know, Daddy Gargon, you see how me see things differently still, brother. Me know say 1 + 1 = 2. So you see, if me see a direction where certain things are going to go, me can tell the outcome based on what and what. Me can calculate around the circumstance. You understand? And them things there, me no want to see a breakdown in a this strong vibe where this youth here bring forward. You see that energy there, what the unity, the countryman kind of lifestyle will get put out there, so the world can see it, how country people live in a love and unity. And when me see things can possibly break down because of certain kind of things, then me go feel certain kind of way about it. But you see right now, the kind of love and energy what me see into it, me can't say nothing more than respect to all of the people them, and we just hope for all the best to Colaz in team member them, all the people them where they round him, where support him for make him reach to the point where him reach, so him can inspire so much other people for want to do the right thing and want to see the best of themselves. See, we want to respect the people them who put on who organize the link up them and them kind of things there. We want to maximum respect for them kind of things there. We love the support, we love the energy what put behind it. We love to see how the people them come out and reason with each other and them kind of things. You see it, as me always say, we love the networking and we must link up with each other and network with each other so we can grow each other and them kind of things. And them kind of things that me advocate for from morning. You see it, and when me see them things they are manifest in front of my face, me can't say nothing but respect for it and love for it, and I can't stay away from it and I say nothing about it. And me see it happen and I eat more than I ask for. You see it? Someone say respect to all our people them, man. All our people them who subscribe to our channel and give it a support there. From the first person to the most recent person. More want to respect and respect in advance, same way to, you see it. Daddy Gargon, again, respect brother. And guess what me again, Daddy Gargon? Me just go address it because you probably were asked about it same way to, you see it. Because me hear you always say, me is a youth like me go a good school and them kind of things. See it? But what you know, Daddy Gargon, you see me? I go to an average country school. And to be honest with you, I want average country youth same way too. You see it, and when I go to school, I want just one average youth same way too. And I one of them youth there want me drop out of school same way too. You see it, so and I like me graduate and me have all of them accolades where youth they have leaving school and them kind of things. You see it. But you see, guess what? You see, my surrounding, me grow around people who love knowledge. You understand? And naturally, as little you differently still come through the school system, and your parents probably have certain things to help you to move forward certain way. Certain things kind of cramp your little confidence and them kind of thing there. So some of them things there what me as a youth used to endure. Me used to suffer from certain little things. Me lack of certain things and them kind of things while going to school. You see it, because my parents were poor and me bounce about with different people. But the people them want me bounce about with are when people where have certain kind of principle about them. So fortunately, me kind of when get steered into loving knowledge. So after me left school, after me drop out from school, all of them things the same way as an ordinary teenage youth. We go through every one of them little step there. Things where we could have get ourselves in some deep trouble. And we bounce forward and learn from some things same way too. And we learn from the street. And at the same time, we are learn from the street. Me as a youth where me love read and them kind of things. You see it, so that I when one of the thing where anytime me find myself in a quiet corner or quiet time by myself, me always find something to read. And then me start to learn to listen to people who more smart or more brilliant or more educated than myself. And me start to learn to think. And at this how it come in, where me think certain kind of way, and because me read certain kind of way, and me have certain kind of way how me articulate myself, it might come off like I say, me is a well-educated youth, but most of it, me do it by my own. After me left school, me learn a lot of things. Me learn most things out of school than what me learn in a school, to tell you the honest truth. You see it? And me watch people and me learn off of people mistakes same way too. And me now go tell you say, everything when just out of the blues just drop on me and me just learn it same way too. We walk the walk. Me used to have friends who do all kind of different things, you see it? And at the time when I talk about, these friends are the people them who used to pass on certain knowledge upon we same way. Tell we say, okay, you see that and that. In the penal system, you get charged for that and you get charged for that and you get charged for that. And because me as a youth where me listen a lot, me not judge people. So me have friends in a some shady place as little youth, and me have friends in a church and they sitting there, because me the balance between all of them little things. So you see it, so a lot of different knowledge just pass on to me and me kind of absorb them. And the people them when me go around as a youth same way too, that even steer me thoughts and me lifestyle in a one particular direction, and me learn all of these things differently still. You see it, so most of it are self-taught. You see me I say that. So me just say this to make some youth know say education is not everything, because guess what? There's a big difference between being educated and being intelligent. You see it? And you have a lot of brilliant, intelligent people who them not upon the spectrum of being educated, because being educated, you need certification and documents for prove all of them things there. You see it? And it based on all of the trading and them kind of things the way you go through. You understand? And youth don't have the time and the ability to learn all things and accomplish all things. You see it? So just take the time out and just teach on yourself. Because the universe talk to us, as me say. You see it? Because you can't just sit there in your flowers garden and the different things what you encounter, how to navigate through the pests them, how to treat the flowers there, how to water it, at what time to water it so it yield better, and all of these things. And when you watch and observe all of these things, He not speak with no loud voice, but he see and he learn and he understand. So I say universe talk to we and we can relate with all of these things. When you have some animal around you, same way to your animal them react to you in a certain kind of different ways, and you understand, and you see love from your animals and all of these things because of how the universe teach us to live. You understand? So the universe and all of these things talk to us, man. We must just take the time out to listen and do the things that is right. Yeah, man. So you see all the people who take the time out for help we and for push the channel and encourage people for subscribe and check out with videos and them kind of things. We want to say respect for it. See? So we want to say respect to J Progress. You understand? First and foremost, respect, brother. Give thanks to all of the shout out and the encouragement and all of the energy and the effort what you put into asking people for check out my channel and them kind of things. I want to give thanks to it. My brother Wayne, maximum respect, brother. You see all of the share and the support and the encouragement and all of these things, brother. I want to give thanks to, man. You see it? Because you don't know. Man is a real fan of the eyes still. I want you to know that. You see it? Yeah, man, you want youth where may have maximum respect for. You see it? So all of the share out and the encouragement and the bless up them and all of them things, brother, wants to give thanks. You see it? And watch your brother. I don't want you to take no draw out from no negative people. See? Now make nobody draw you out. You see that same free-spirited person there who you is. And that take you to his part you there. Don't change it for nobody. See, brother? Yeah, man. Preserve your life and stay safe, man. See? Because you're there for your purpose. You bring joy to people. You see me? You vibrate on one frequency where adjust peace and neutrality and enjoyment. You see it? So you have a free spirit and you have a pure heart. You see it? I can see it in you. So don't make nobody corrupt that. You see it? Stay safe, stay blessed. All the best for the year. You see it? And beyond. I want to say big up and bless up to all our people. You see it? I hope all of the good and the positive things where you hope for in your life, it may forward, and all our people who been through a rocky 2024, we want to wish you a blessed and a prosperous 2025. You see it? And give thanks to the moment, give thanks to all of the people who take the time out to listen to the video. We want to say maximum respect, heart of love. Yeah, man, give thanks to it. Rastafari bless.